A red rose blooms with a happy sigh. Red rose so bright in the sunset light. Dewdrops shine, a magical sight. Red fire truck speeding by. Sirens flash with a joyful cry. Red sunset so warm in the sky. Golden rays wave us goodbye. Blue! Gleam blue sky and butterflies. Blue butterflies fly in the sky. With flowers below, they flutter by. Blue whale in ocean. Blue whale jumps high, splash and play in the ocean deep. It swims all day. Blue balloons float to the sky. With happy smiles, they rise so high. Yeah! Blue stars shine bright in the night. The moon glows softly, a calming light. Yellow sun shines bright, warm and high, lighting up the field in the blue sky. Yellow lemons, fresh, juicy and bright. In the garden green, such a lovely sight. Yellow chicks dance, hop and play in the sunny field, a joyful display. Yellow star shines in the sky, twinkling above so high and dry. The green meadow so bright, flowers bloom, butterflies dance, no sign of gloom. Green frog jumps high, splash and play by the pond so clear, it leaps all day. Green jungle is dense, tall trees sway, with flowers so bright, it's a magical day. Purple grapes hang low, sweet and round, on the green vine, magic is found. Purple unicorn runs with joy and cheer across the rainbow, the magic is near. Purple twilight sky, stars appear, moon shines softly, calm and clear. Purple balloons float up so high,